Hey guys, so today I'm at a car show in Wildwood. So this is the first car. I got a Ford Mustang.
And
So
they had
this is a 1965 Mustang.
Now, look at this. This had the 289 in it, right?
That was probably
This had a 289 in it. I had a 260 V8. Mine was 64 and a half, which was actually half a year before this. So
So it had a 269, right? Isn't it?
I had what?
This one right here.
Is a 65.
But what kind of what engine is that in this?
289. 289.
That's the end right there.
That's 289
289.
cubic inch. 289 cubes.
Cubes.
Alright?
And there's a Mustang emblem right there down the bottom.
Yeah.
Corner here.
Not good.
It's a nice Mustang now, but still.
Yeah.
If it's not good in the snow.
No.
There's no weight in the back. It'll just spin all the wheels in the rear. So yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's hot here. It's hot too. You know. Yes. Checking around, see what we got. Checking out some Mustang.
See this here?
Exactly, that's what I did.
So here we got a Cobra.
Sharp. Yeah.
We got a Cobra. Then back there is got a Corvette back there.
Yeah. Yeah, this is
We
sharp.
got a Corvette and a Cobra. Yeah. And over here, this is a Ford right here. I'm guessing. So we got a Ford. I don't know what kind of vehicle it is, but no, it's a Ford. The blue one, I think it's made. Oh, it's not a Ford. It's a better view of the Chevrolet.
Yeah, they're nice. They were nice. They were nice.
Nice car too.
Oh yeah.
Then there's a Ford right there.
Yeah.
What is that? Ford. What?
Yeah.
Ford. The interior of the car. That red leather and stuff.
Now, this is cool, man. This is cool. See, it's lowered down.
What is this?
That is cool. 67 Buick.
The Buick.
Skylark. Buick Skylark.
There's that skull lock. Yeah, it's right there. And that the red. Yeah, these mirrors kind of halfway out so you can get wind coming through. And this is a full car. I don't know if y'all ever want to see it. The old one. This is the old one.
You wouldn't have thought that's.
I thought it was a Dodge.
Yeah, no, I would have thought it.
I thought it was a good old Dodge Dart.
Yeah. No, actually, I thought it was a Chevy, but I didn't know it was a Buick.
Yes, that's a Buick there. I thought it was a Dodge. Well, I was wrong. Nice to get out here.
Yeah.
Got a little hot.
34.
So here's the little clip of the engine here. Get little clips inside. There's the mufflers that come out. The engine. Wait, is that a small block? What is it? What do they have in there?
Yeah, it had to be a small block. Small block.
Here's there. Focus.
1830.
This is a nice car too. You know.
Yeah.
And this is another Ford. Ow! Dumb tree. That's another Ford.
Yeah, that's cool. Deep for that.
Here's the.
Definite classics.
I can't sell, but yeah.
That is nice.
Yeah. And green. Ow! Jeez! What's the matter with you? These nice rims though. These better clips of that.
Pretty cool.
It's a nice car too. It's a nice vehicle. You got extra
Rumble
seat.
Yeah.
Got an extra seat in the back.
That is nice.
There's a leather tire. Well, it's like a leather cover
Yeah.
for an old one, but still.
Nice.
Now let's go back in the front. I'll show you what it looks like in fully. This is the side of the hot rod.
Yeah, that's.
Get the camera, you crazy. See, there's the small little eyes I call them. So yeah, this is it's a nice day out, but still, you know. It's a nice day out, but someone's just burning up something. Someone's burning.
Yeah. Somebody's burning something.
It's safe for my mom.
Yeah.
Stay here for the food. So this is another one.
This was cool too. It's a Chevy.
It's a Chevy?
Yeah, it's a Chevy.
Oh, it's a Ford. Someone burnt some rubber out. It smells like fart.
That is sure.
So here's the rainbow interior.
Yeah.
Okay, they're having the door cremated.
Alright.
And
I'm on film right now.
we had a car like this, my
But
father.
I'm on film now, so you must be telling what's going on.
I asked him if
Jeez, I'm sorry, guys. This is well, my.
I said I might come up.
No.
I might come up. So.
Why?
I
So-
just,
So
yeah, God, you don't you do?
yeah. So this is the car. It's nice, and this is a Cadillac or something. This is like
a Chevy.
it's right here. Chevy, my bad. I was
Something burning here.
That's a see, Nick, it's a Caprice. Chevy Caprice.
I thought it was a Cadillac because you know how the rims look like the Cadillacs.
Yeah.
But it's the Caprice, Chevy Caprice.
I had a
So it's inside.
Balena.
Yeah.
Nice. Then we got another hot rod. We got this.
I don't know. I didn't see it.
This is a different place here. But
We didn't see this one.
this is another Ford. Same one was there, but different.
Oh, here, look at Balena.
Yeah, El Camino.
Super Sport? Oh, I didn't know they had one. Oh, wow.
So this is the El Camino,
That is
Super
sharp.
Sport.
And I'll take a picture of that one over there, huh?
but it's on film. So. Yeah, this is
We
the
had that too.
El Camino Super Sport.
Oh,
It's a fast car too. Even though it doesn't look fast, but it's fast.
this is gorgeous, this one.
There's that right there. We blow it up.
How can you see?
Blow it up.
That's a, what is it?
So this is, what is this?
A Packard. It's a 1930 Packard.
He's a Packard. Never heard of it.
I know you
It's an
didn't.
old car.
Them, look at them headlights.
So this is what fucking.
30 Packard. This is unbelievable.
1930.
Yeah. From Maryland.
Yeah, that's right.
This is the engine here, guys.
Unbelievable.
My phone's all messed up.
Unless they revolve, the arrow points like 10.
And this is the engine. This is an extra spare reel. So say if that pops,
This
got an extra reel.
That's a legitimate seat. They took out. Yeah. That's a seat. That's a seat there too.
That's where you get the air from.
Yep, for inside.
Yep.
Car.
There's that. That's the interior. It's a nice car.
Probably more likely the.
So yeah, let me get on the other side. I can show you
Beautiful.
an extra reel. So this is what look. That's what.
I think I saw Babe Ruth in one of these at Cooperstown. It might have been one of these. I'm not sure.
So yeah,
One
guys.
of these kind of cars.
Look, it's clean now.
So yeah, there's still more cars to go. So this video's gonna be really long. So
Straight 8 long.
yeah, this is Mercedes too. It's a nice Mercedes. It's a nice Mercedes from New Jersey. You know it's from. Nice Mercedes with a belt. Except for when you go inside, you pop. If you go inside, you pop the hood open. But if you look see what some of them were then. It's right here. So look at that. Yeah, and if your parents were around when these were here, nice Mercedes too, actually. That wooden thing there. See that? Yeah. It's a nice car too, you know. So this is what it looks like inside. I'm gonna take this close to the car.
Mike, Nick, look at
That's
this is the handles
Can't
that you
touch,
open it.
don't touch it.
You know, beautiful.
that's the handle.
Yeah,
they
it's the
open
handle
your.
of the door.
Oh, there you go again.
Oh, hey, how are you? Aren't these cars gorgeous?
Oh God.
How much work do these people put into these cars?
Money, yeah, and oil.
Poppy, look at this. Got all that, yeah,
You
old
seen it had
Mercedes.
8 plugs in it, right?
That's all.
8 spark plugs. Had it 8 plugs, straight in a line.
Straight.
Straight. It
I
wasn't a
saw
V8.
something like a. So this is, I'm showing this guys again. This is the Mercedes. Roy, we've already been 10 minutes in the video. So yeah,
Jeez.
and this is the emblem right there. If you've never seen the
Yeah.
Mercedes emblem, is that the horn? What is that? Horns?
Yeah, air horns.
Those are horns.
Yep.
Now this car is in Forza 3. If you guys never ever played Forza Horizon 3, this car's in it.
Mom always finds a friend, don't she?
Mhm.
This is 60 vet. This is clean.
Right there. So this says 60 vet there. There's the emblem right there. It's right there.
Yeah.
It's the interior of the car. It's nice. It's convertible. It's a nice car. And what's this? What's this? What's this?
Thunderbirds. This is 57.
It's a Thunderbird, 57 Thunderbird.
This Thunderbird.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So yes, it's.
Now these were just like 2-seaters, son.
I know it's 2 seconds.
Yeah.
This
Gorgeous.
is 2 too.
White walls. That's what's this style. The white walls.
So this is it's another Chevy, the Firebird 45. Bleh. Anyway, this is a, what is this? What here?
That's an Austin Healey.
Austin Haley is
66.
sunny as boy out here. There's a car there. Who's that? I'll get to them too, but this is that. These are all Chevy Impalas. Chevy and Chevy there. Nice cars. Now what is this? A Hudson Hornet?
This is Studebaker.
I thought it was a Hornet. My bad.
No, it's a Studebaker. Yeah, 47 Studebaker.
Right there. There's the engine.
Yeah. They were a good car.
Wow. Today, Nick, today look how small everything was.
I
and
know.
you could fix it easily. Today you got so much electrical stuff
See the
in your
column
cars.
shift? The column shifted.
Oh, this
Stick shift on the column.
Oh yeah. Yeah, pretty
See the clutch
inside.
pedals?
Yeah.
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 But where do you change the gears at? Right there?
Right there,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's
That's
it.
the
It's
shift
not on the
lever.
floor. It's on the
Right there on the
yeah,
column.
on the column. Yeah. Everything. All the shift was different.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and that has to be a Chevy. That has to be a Chevelle.
This is Nova.
Wow.
This is a Nova.
And it's for sale too.
Yeah, I know.
How much?
For sale.
Yeah. This is
Nova.
like Terry's
my
race car.
gosh. Look at this inside.
4.2 liter.
Oh, yeah.
Just clean, so clean.
Yeah.
I like the color too.
It's a bright. Oh, it's an orange. It's a 5.2 liter.
Nick, the dices were the big thing.
Yeah.
In the what was it, 60s or 50s?
Yeah.
The dices are made. The dices
oh,
are.
yeah.
They're made then.
Look at this baby.
But now this is where you got a Stingray here.
A lot of vets.
There's a lot of vets here. So this is a Stingray. 3.50 liter V8. 350. 350 V8. This is the gears there. Sweating. So I might have to make a part 2. And I saw it. Might have to make it. I'm sweating out here. It's so hot. It's nice out, but still it's hot. So yeah. So I might. So
Nick, do you know what that I feel like something. Do you know what that is over there?
No, what?
It's an alternator. That
Mm.
is. Yeah. This looks like-
Yeah, so I might go make a part 2. So
Oh, thank you. Where's the? Was there a starter on?
Starter's gonna be down under the motor.
Oh, okay.
you guys, I'm gonna get a part 2. Okay. Yeah.
You mechanic?